This AI tool just helped me create 2 viral videos in only 20 minutes. That could get millions of views. While most creators are struggling to hit 1K views, I found the secret weapon behind channel with 600 million total views. I'm about to show you exactly how to use it, and trust me, this is going to change everything for your channel. Here is what absolutely blew my mind. There are faceless YouTube channels getting hundreds of millions of views with just one AI-generated story video. These creators found the cheat code while most people are still grinding for their first 1,000 views. OpenArt's new one-click story feature is absolutely insane. But wait until you see this. Look at this channel that has millions of views on simple videos about a dancing cat. No voiceover, just consistent character and background music. This is the exact blueprint we are going to recreate. And by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start earning thousands in ad revenue with your own viral videos. I'm about to walk you through the exact process I used to create viral-ready content in minutes. Content that could make you serious money and grow your faceless YouTube channel to 6 figures. Let's choose this video for example and take a couple screenshots for this cat. Next, jump into ChatGPT and upload your reference image. Then, prompt it to create a similar character with a clean, transparent background for easy editing later. You are not locked into one design. Feel free to use any picture or character you want. Check out this result. It's practically identical to our source image. I also had it create a second version where the character is wearing everyday clothes like jeans and a t-shirt, giving me 2 different looks for the same character. Once you are happy with the results, download both images to your computer. Now, here is where it gets absolutely insane. Go to Google and search OpenArt AI and click the first link. After you log in, you will land on this page. This platform is mind-blowing. It creates your story scripts, generates consistent characters, produces the videos, and adds the music, all in one place. Once you are inside, hit the story feature. This is where the magic happens. You've got 2 options here. Pick from their existing character library or upload your own custom character, which is exactly what we are doing. Now here, click Custom, give your character a name. I'm calling it Cute Cat, and upload the cat image. Click Create Character. In this page here, you can prompt the AI anything you want. For example, I want the cat to dance. I'm going to prompt Cute Cat is dancing happily in the middle of a big crowded city. For aspect ratio, I'm selecting 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but choose 16:9 if you are making regular YouTube videos. Next, pick your background music. I'll let it auto-select a trending song to maximize viral potential. But this next feature is what separates viral creators from everyone else. In advanced settings, I'm choosing Flux Context for the image model since it's superior for character consistency. Keeping resolution at 720 and selecting Kling Standard 2.1 for video generation. While OpenArt works its magic creating this video, let me show you something that will absolutely blow your mind. What if you want to create viral videos with an entirely new character? Let's test this with a dog and see how well it maintains character consistency across different scenes. I'm heading over to ChatGPT and using Image Generator Pro to create a detailed puppy character. I'll leave the exact prompt in the comments below. If you are struggling with prompts, just ask ChatGPT to write one for you. It will generate an incredibly detailed description that creates the perfect character. Check this result. It's absolutely insane and exactly what I needed. Now, head back to OpenArt. Click Create Story, select Custom, and upload the puppy character. I'll name it Cute Dog. Here you can train the AI for character consistency, but I will skip this for now. Hit Create Character, and our prompt Cute Dog is dancing happily in a forest, having fun with a playful rabbit, keeping the 9:16 aspect ratio, and auto-selecting trending background music, choosing flux context again for the image model, and selecting Kling 2.5 standard for the video model. Click Create Full Video and watch the magic happen. Now I just got notified that my first video is ready, so let's check it out. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this character. Happy, cheering, dancing, staying perfectly consistent in every single scene. All created with just one click. You will notice the OpenArt logo at the end, but don't worry, I'll show you the secret to remove that. If you want to edit your video, click Edit here and you will access a page where you can unleash your creative imagination. Here is the storyboard showing all your pictures with their animations. You can modify pictures, change animation prompts, or add more scenes. Here's where it gets even more insane. Let's add another scene. Click the plus sign to create a new section, upload your character again, and insert your prompt. I will make the character dance happily on a boat in the middle of the Tiber River in Rome, with the city and its historic landmark visible in the background. Click Create Video and watch it generate in seconds. This creation is so impressive. Now, if you want to edit your video, click Timeline at the top. You can move scenes, delete sections, and I am stretching the music here to match since I added another scene. Now notice in the first scene, you don't see the main character, and it's a bit long, which might lose viewer attention. I am going to delete this scene to make the video more attractive and engaging. Now let's watch the complete video together. Wow, this is amazing! A very professional video that's incredibly simple to make and can potentially earn you millions of views. Now to remove the OpenArt logo, just delete the last scene and adjust the music length to match the video. If you are happy with the results, click Export in the top right corner, select Remove Watermark, and download it to your computer. It's that easy. Now let's check our second video with the completely new character and see if it's going to remain consistent. This wonderful video shows OpenArt really does exceptional work. Click Edit Video and let's make some changes. I will add a new shot here, upload the same character, and I will create a scene where the cute dog and rabbit are in a cozy house having fun while eating breakfast together. Wow, this is fantastic! Look how consistent the character remains. The only thing is I asked for them to eat breakfast inside the house, but the scene shows them eating outside. But the video still looks great to me. If you want exact descriptions, just tweak your prompt and try again until you get the perfect results. Now, click Timeline, delete the logo, and adjust the audio to match the video length exactly. Click Export, check Remove Watermark, and download it to your computer. Within only 20 minutes, I have created 2 complete story videos that could potentially earn me thousands of dollars. This represents the future of content creation, and we are just getting started. This breakthrough means creators can generate an entire month of high-performing content in only one session. These animated stories get hundreds of millions of views by targeting pure human emotion. No advanced skills needed, no expensive equipment required, just smart AI and proven viral strategies that could make you rich. Here is the thing. The creators who master this technology right now are going to absolutely dominate 2025 and beyond, while others are still figuring out basic editing. If you are ready to join the AI revolution and start making real money, first, smash that subscribe button and become part of thousands of creators already transforming their channels with these game-changing tools. Now, a quick disclaimer here. OpenArt offers 40 free credits to start, plus 50% off their annual plan. Just $7 a month for 4,000 credits, and that's enough to create dozens of viral videos and potentially change your entire financial future. Thanks for watching and happy creating!